Good morning, children. Sairam. Today we are going to see about the chapter number 3, part 2. So, in chapter number 3 is we all know that my body needs food. What is the topic? My body needs food. So, without delay, we will go to the class now. Today, once again, we will go to see the new words. Number 1, grow. Number 1, grow. G-R-O, grow. Number 1, grow. R-O-W, grow. Number 2, food. F-O-O-D, food. I repeat the word, children. F-O-O-D, food. Number 3, stay. S-T-A-Y, stay. I'll repeat the word. S-T-A-Y, stay. Fourth word, healthy. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. So the first word is grow. Second word is food. Third word is stay. Fourth word is healthy. Okay, shall we go to the next page? Yes. Fifth one, kinds. K-I-N-D-S, kinds. K-I-N-D-S, kinds. Sixth one, should. S-H-O-U-L-D, should. S-H-O-U-L-D, should. I repeat the word, should. Seventh one, it's an easy word to remember, plants. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. I repeat the word, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Number 8, sources. S-O-U-R-C-E-S, sources. S-O-U-R-C-E-S, sources. So the fifth word is kinds. K-I-N-D-S, kinds. Sixth word, should. S-H-O-U-L-D, should. Seventh one, plants. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Eighth one, sources. S-O-U-R-C-E-S, sources. So we will go to the next page now. Yes, the ninth word, grains. G-R-A-I-N-S, grains. I repeat the word, G-R-A-I-N-S, grains. Tenth one, pulses. Pulses. P-U-L-S-E-S, pulses. I repeat the word, pulses. P-U-L-S-E-S, pulses. Next word, meat. M-E-A-T, meat. M-E-A-T, meat. 12th one, products. P-R-O-D-U-C-T-S, products. I repeat the word, children. P-R-O-D-U-C-T-S, products. Next page, you can see the first word in this page, energy. Energy, E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. I repeat the word, E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. Next word, that is 14th one, is strength. S-T-R-E-N-G-T-H, strength. S-R-E-N-G-T-H. 15th one is disease. D-I-S-E-A-S-E. I repeat the word, D-I-S-E-A-S-E, disease. 16th one, protective. I repeat the word, protective. P-R-O-T-E-C-T-I-V-E, protective. P-R-O-T-E-C-T-I-V-E, protective. One more page, balanced. 17th one is balanced. B-A-L-A-N-C-E-D, balanced. B-A-L-A-N-C-E-D, balanced. 18th one, groups. G-R-O-U-P-S, groups. G-R-O-U-P-S, groups. Next one, vegetarians. Vegetarians, V-E-G-E-T-A-R-I-A-N-S, vegetarians. V-E-G-E-T-A-R-I-A-N-S, vegetarians. And the last word is non-vegetarians. N-O-N-V-E-G-E-T-A-R-I-A-N-S, non-vegetarians. I repeat the word, children, N-O-N-V-E-G-E-T-A-R-I-A-N-S, non-vegetarians. So these are the words we are going to go through in this lesson. 20 words we are having. You just go through the words and try to write down in your notebooks by reading this spelling each letter by letter. Okay, we'll go to the next page now. Answer the questions. Answer the questions. Here we will have some questions from this chapter. The first question is, why do we need food? I repeat the question, children. Why do we need food? Yes, our body needs food to grow and stay healthy. Our body needs food to grow and stay healthy. Needs. Here we are having one new word, needs. N-E-E-D-S, needs. N-E-D-S, needs. So the answer is, our body needs food to grow and stay healthy. Our body needs food to grow and stay healthy. Shall we go to the next page, children? Yes. What are the foods that we are getting from plants? What are the foods that we are getting from plants? So what things we are getting from plants? Any idea, children? Yes, fruits and vegetables. We are getting fruits and vegetables from plants. We are getting fruits and vegetables from plants. Getting, here also we are having one new word, getting, G-E-T-T-I-N-G, getting. We are getting fruits and vegetables from plants. Next question. What are grains and pulses? What are grains and pulses? So here you are having answer. Rice and wheat are grains. Rice and wheat are grains. And for pulses, you are having answer here. The different kinds of dals are known as pulses. For example, tur dal, urad dal, masoor dal, these all are pulses. The different kinds of dals are known as pulses. What are grains and pulses? Rice and wheat are grains. The different kinds of dals are known as pulses. Next question. What are animal products? What are animal products? So here we are having answer. Foods that we are getting from animals are called animal products. For example, we are getting butter from animal, that is from cow, isn't it? Butter, meat, fish, eggs, these all are what? Animal products that these things are getting from animals only, right? So these all are animal products. So the answer is foods that we are getting from animals are called as animal products. My next question. So here you can see one picture. In this basket you can see so many dals. The center one is corn. Center one is corn. And the right corner you can see one red color dal, isn't it? So that is masoor dal. The next one is moong dal. Next one urad dal. And next one is rajma, arhar dal, and dried peas. These all are what? Pulses. Okay children, these all are pulses. The different kinds of dals are known as pulses, isn't it? So these all are pulses. So name some pulses in basket number 1. Now we are seeing the picture, right? So you have to write what is it. Number 1 is corn, C-O-R-N, corn, C-O-R-N, corn. Second one is masoor dal, M-A-S-O-O-R, masoor, D-A-L, dal, masoor dal. Next one is moong dal, M-O-O-N-G, moong, D-A-L, dal, moong dal. Fourth one is rajma, R-A-J-M-A, rajma. Fifth one is arhar dal, A-R-H-A-R, arhar, D-A-L, dal, arhar dal. And next one is dried peas, D-R-I-E-D, dried, D-R-I-E-D, dried, P-E-A-S, peas, P-E-A-S, peas. Next one is urad dal, U-R-A-D, urad, U-R-A-D, urad, D-A-L, dal, D-A-L, dal. So number 1 is corn, masoor dal, moong dal, rajma, arhar dal, dried peas, and urad dal. These all are the pulses that you have seen in basket number 1. So now we are going to see the basket number 2. Here you can see vegetables and fruits, isn't it? So the top corner we have seen that lady's finger. Next one is what? Bananas, apples, mangoes, tomatoes. Tomatoes you can see in the middle of the basket. Grapes. In between you can see that near pumpkin you can see the potatoes. Next one is grapes, carrots and pumpkin. Here I'll show you the picture big so that you can see the picture clear. So you can see lady's finger, bananas, apples, mangoes, tomatoes. In between the basket you can see the red color tomatoes, isn't it? So next one is potatoes. In front of pumpkin you can see potatoes. Next one is purple color grapes. After that carrots, and after that pumpkin. So in this basket you are seeing vegetables and fruits. So my next question is, name some vegetables and fruits in basket number 2. Name some vegetables and fruits in basket number 2. And your answer is pumpkin, carrots, potatoes, lady's finger, tomatoes, apples, mangoes, grapes and bananas. Now we will spell the words one by one. Pumpkin, P-U-M-P-K-I-N, pumpkin. I repeat the word, P-U-M-P-K-I-N, pumpkin. Second is carrots, C-A-R-R-O-T-S, carrots, C-A-R-R-O-T-S, carrots. Next one is potatoes, P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S, potatoes, P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S, potatoes. Next one, lady's finger, L-A-D-S, apostrophe S, L-A-D-Y-S, lady's finger. You all know what is finger, isn't it? These all are fingers. So finger, F-I-N-G-E-R, finger, F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. Tomatoes, T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S, tomatoes, T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S, tomatoes. Next one, apples, A-P-P-L-E-S, apples, A-P-P-L-E-S, apples. Mangoes, M-A-N-G-O-E-S, mangoes, M-A-N-G-O-E-S, mangoes. Grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. And bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S, bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S, bananas. So in basket number 2, what you have seen, children? Fruits and vegetables. Okay, we will go to see the next picture, the basket number 3. You can see some different products are there. Milk, the center one is milk, M-I-L-K, milk. Next one is paneer or cheese, paneer or cheese. Here next one you can see the meat, M-E-A-T, meat. And next one is eggs, E-G-G-X. Next one, fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. After that we can see ghee. Ghee. G-H-E-E. Ghee. And the last one is butter. B-U-T-T-E-R. Butter. As we have seen before, these products that we are getting from animals. Name the things in basket 3. Number 1 is ghee. G-H-E-E. Ghee. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Meat. M-E-A-T. Meat. Eggs. E-G-G-S. Eggs. Paneer or cheese. P-A-N-E-E-R. Paneer or cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. So what are the things that we can see in basket number 3? Ghee, fish, meat, eggs, paneer or cheese. These are the things we can see in basket number 3. So here we go to the next page now. Next question. Who are vegetarians? I repeat the question, children. Who are vegetarians? So your answer is people who eat only milk products, grains, fruits and vegetables. Some people will eat only fruits, vegetables, rice, wheat, milk products, all these things. They will not eat egg and all the meat and all these things, right? So those people are called as vegetarians. So your answer is people who eat only milk products, grains, fruits and vegetables are called as vegetarians. My next question is, who are non-vegetarians? Who are non-vegetarians? People who eat milk products, grains, fruits, vegetables, meat and eggs. So those people are called as non-vegetarians. Non-vegetarians, those people will eat milk products, grains, fruits, vegetables, eggs and meat. They will eat all these things. Okay, so only they are called as non-vegetarians. So in this chapter we will have one rhymes. The title is I love apples. So shall we go to the rhymes, children? Yes, are you all ready? First I will sing the song. You just listen the song. Afterwards you can sing along with me. Okay. I love apples. I love apples. Hug, don't you? Hug, don't you? I eat one every morning. I eat one every morning. Why don't you? Why don't you? I'll sing one more time for you. I love apples. I love apples. Hug, don't you? Hug, don't you? I eat one every morning. I eat one every morning. Why don't you? Why don't you? I love carrots. I love carrots. Hug, don't you? Hug, don't you? I eat some at lunchtime. I eat some at lunchtime. Why don't you? Why don't you? Easy rhymes, isn't it? So we'll sing one more time. I love apples. I love apples. Hug, don't you? Hug, don't you? I eat one every morning. I eat one every morning. Why don't you? Why don't you? I love carrots. I love carrots. Hug, don't you? Hug, don't you? I eat some at lunchtime. Why don't you? Why? So children, Try to read and write the new words. Try to read and write the question answers from this chapter. And don't forget to try to sing the song. Okay? Be safe. Stay home. I'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.